We hope you all enjoyed a fantastic holiday season. Unfortunately, we were hit by the flu over Christmas and New Year's, and we're slowly getting back into our routine with the little energy we currently have. If you recall, in our last episode, we began working on our den. We removed the chair rail, baseboards, and wallpaper border so that Mike could address any drywall issues before we paint the room and install new flooring and moldings, followed by bringing in the furniture. Mike found several cracks in the drywall along with a lot of nail holes, so he's focusing on fixing those cracks in the corners of the walls. He already started working on it and is making really good progress. So Mike has mixed the drywall mud, and it's kind of a, I don't know, I don't want to say it's a little runnier than toothpaste type texture. Maybe some lumpy pancakes.
Peanut butter-ish.
Yeah, he says it has to dry a little bit like peanut butter-ish. So Mike is getting ready to start on this corner. See, that seam is really bad. It's pretty bad cracked. So Mike just measured this drywall tape, and he is getting ready to post the tape right there. Does it stick? How do you stick it?
It's got a crease already in the middle, so you fold it, get the crease started.
Okay. So you fold it in half like a piece of paper.
That's essentially what it is.
So how do you stick it? With the mud?
Yeah. You're gonna fill the crack with mud, and then as soon as it gets the right texture, glue it in.
Okay. So Mike is squishing the putty in this major crack here. Drywall mud, excuse me. We've got terrible lighting in here, of course. So he's squishing it in there, and he's going to take that paper drywall tape and put it in the seam here, and then re-putty over it. See, there's a crack running all the way up. So Mike's sticking the tape on the wall after putting the drywall mud. He's just pressing it into the wall, and now he's going to go over it.
Welcome to a little house in the country. My name is Susan. My husband Mike and our son Brad started renovating this beautiful 16-acre property in North Florida, and we are slowly planning to update room by room, structure by structure. We hope you'll enjoy following along with us, and if you would like to see what we are experiencing along the way, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.
And then you come back and mud over it, which I gotta mud this part.
So you have to mud back over it when you're done?
And then screw it.
Well, definitely looks like leaf dropping season is here. Mike will be getting on the lawnmower in a little while and mulching all of this up.
ball. It's time to wear out Piper. Do the honors of lighting fire. Our first fire of 2025. This property's been a lot of work, hasn't it?
It's already a lot of work in a hurricane mode.
Yep.
Like unmanageable.
Yep. We'll get there. It'll be easier when we're here full time. Piper, the explorer, looking for crickets and lizards. Hopefully she doesn't come across another one of those stick bugs.
Is that what messed up last time?
Yep. Piper and I are chilling by the fire. Mike is over here too. We've got the music going. Piper's had us throw the ball about 10 million times. Enjoying just sitting here.
Once we were sure the drywall mud was dry, it was time to sand it smooth and then retexture the walls, which had no previous texture.
Here are our local neighborhood buddies coming for a visit. Oh, Piper just discovered them.
Look at her running now. You remember them, Piper? You remember them. Where is it?
Hi, SJ. It's like a dog party. We got our buddies from next door.
Hi, SJ.
They always seem to come over and visit whenever we make bacon in the morning. I think they can smell it.
Knock me over, buddy. You're too heavy. You're not a lap dog.
He's a big boy. Yeah. Hi. Trying to sneak up on some deer that were out here. know if they're still there or not. I think one of them's still over there in the corner.
I think one of the most special things about this property is being able to see deer on it and just some of the other wildlife. We just feel so blessed being able to, spot the deer, and we feel like it's just as random and as special as seeing like dolphin in the ocean. It's just, you never know when you'll see them, and it's just such a nice surprise. As you can see, we still have so much left to do around this property, but we'll get to it eventually. This is a really busy year for us. We'll be making our move, and our boy Brad will be graduating from high school and going off to college. Please do us a favor and like and subscribe to our channel.